article in internet few days ago. There is one family in America. They are live in the 80 era. Era 80-an.
Yeah,
What you say in English?
18 in 1980,
So they are.
80s
We know
era.
Amerika is negara maju. What you say?
Developing country,
Developed country.
developed
But
country.
they not like usually people, general people. They are like in there. They are in the 80 era. So
Allah.
there are no gadget, no television, but just radio. So when they are want to hear news, they are see radio. They are when they are want to calling just telepon gaga.
Allah.
That is very good, I think. When they are watching TV, they are not layar LCD, but just old television. No,
Plain white.
what you say, player DVD player. They are no. So there is how to make a family very good, I think. So I want to try that action in my family.
Allah.
If I
Nauzubillah.
marry.
Alhamdulillah.